Hi, Wes Scott from Lifeback Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about, is there anything I shouldn't do before filing bankruptcy? Yes, there are things you shouldn't do before you file bankruptcy. I've been doing this for about 3 decades, and unfortunately you see people who come in and they say, they think there's going to be a problem, right? They diagnose what they think is going to be a problem, and so they do something. And then what they do actually makes it worse, right? So you say, hey, I got this Harley Davidson. I'm not going to be able to protect it in bankruptcy, so I'm going to transfer it to my cousin Louie. And so you transfer it to your cousin Louie without talking to a lawyer first, a qualified bankruptcy lawyer. And it turns out that transfer is a fraudulent transfer. And it's going to be clawed back by a trustee in bankruptcy because it's a fraudulent transfer under Section 548 of the Code. If you transfer assets for less than full market value within 2 years prior to the time you filed the bankruptcy, they figured this all out, folks. I mean, all this stuff has been thought about and hashed out and put into a code. They've thought about all this, right? And so you do it, and you go to file the bankruptcy, and the trustee's going to claw it back. Whereas, had you not transferred it, in many cases, we could have exempted it. It wouldn't have been an issue. Don't diagnose a problem you think is a problem. Qualified bankruptcy lawyers, Lifeback Law Firm, will tell you if it's an issue and what to do. But we're going to tell you, don't you dare transfer anything before you file a bankruptcy. Okay? You don't jeopardize your bankruptcy discharge. You don't commit fraud, right? Before filing a bankruptcy. I mean, this is just not what you should be doing. The other thing that we discourage people from doing is don't pay family members or partners a lot of money and then file bankruptcy. Right? I don't want to file bankruptcy on you, my sister, so I'm going to pay you $50,000. And then I'm going to file Chapter 7 bankruptcy. And then the trustee's going to claw back that $50,000 and disperse it everybody equally. You think sister's going to find that funny when she's already spent the money? She's not going to find that funny. When the time is right, when you are ready to get your life back, reach out to Minnesota's most kind and helpful bankruptcy law firm right here at Lifeback Law Firm. You're going to be so thankful you did.